Yo, what's up guys, I'm Mizzo Vlogs, and today I will be making a hybrid custom. Today's hybrid custom will be the Triceratops human dinosaur hybrid from the Jurassic Park forward cancelled script. I know, yep. So before we get into this video, I'm mainly just doing this for fun. I'm not really doing it for anything serious. So before you guys go into comments crying about how much you hate the human dinosaur hybrids, believe me, I don't blame you. I don't like them too. But this is just for fun. So if you don't like it, then you could just click off the video because I don't need your negativity. Alright, but besides that, with that out of the way, so basically what I actually found when I was looking at Sketchfab, a website, I actually found this model that looks almost identical to the original concept art for the human dinosaur hybrid, or the Triceratops. Unfortunately, this is the only one. I wish there was more, but there isn't. But as you can see, it looks almost identical. It's kind of hard to show on a laptop when I'm not screen recording, but it looks really good. So I decided, why not input this into Kira. So, since it looks so nice, and also not just that, but it's a public download, as you can see right here, I'll also leave a link to this model in the description down below, because I want to give credit, obviously. So if you guys want to check out this model for yourself, I would totally recommend it. It looks really nice, and it's a free download, like I said. But besides that, let's 3D print it. Alright, I'm going to be 3D printing it in about now. And there you go. And there it is, the Triceratops human dinosaur hybrid, fully 3D printed. Yeah, this was actually a lot easier than I thought it was going to be. It actually looks pretty accurate. So that's pretty cool. But like I said, as you can see, here it is. It looks nice. I don't know what to say. I mean, it's a human dinosaur hybrid. What else do you expect? But as you can see, it looks pretty accurate. It's nice. It's pretty nice actually. Also, not just that, but I made sure it was size comparison or size accurate to the Mattel figures. I didn't want it being too small, but yeah, I didn't want it to be like too big. So I think this is perfect sizing for it. So yeah, let's get to painting it. as you can see, here is the final result. So honestly, I actually think it looks a lot more better than I originally intended it to be. It still looks ugly, don't get me wrong, but as you can obviously tell, I tried making it as accurate to the concept art as possible. I basically had it with green and I had yellow, and I kind of tried making them mix a little bit. So like I said, I wanted this thing to be, I didn't want to make it too big, but at the same time I didn't want it being too small. So I believe, from my personal opinion, I believe that this would probably be a happy medium for the figure. And just for fun, here is 2019's hybrid, the Dilophoman, which is not really a human hybrid, but more or less a human dinosaur mutant. So technically it's not the same, but just for fun, here it is. But yeah, I really don't have much else to say about this figure, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Like I said, this was mainly just for fun. It wasn't really anything too serious, so please don't go in the comments crying about how much you hate the human dinosaur hybrids. If you enjoyed this video, please leave a like. If you're new, please subscribe. Also, I am currently running a Discord and Instagram. Both links will be down in the description below. I would highly recommend you checking those out. But besides that, like always, have a wonderful day and happy Hybrid October.